Okay, can you do that? You can do it, baby. Mm-hmm. Sige, figure out mo. Ang kunot pa noon. He's eating oatmeal. Oatmeal for breakfast. Mm-hmm. Seryoso po siya, mga kaibigan. Love you. Mm-hmm. Okay, kakain na lang daw siya.